Hi, my name is Brandon Langston. I'm here to show you how to install the Amana PTAC DigiDoor motion sensor and door switch combo device. First thing you do is to remove the back plate from the device just simply by pulling it loose. Once that's done, you can set this aside for later installation. Once you have the back plate loose from the device, you're going to pick a location in the center of the door on the door frame itself as low as possible, but still allows for proper opening and closing of the door. Once your location has been determined, you're going to mount this using the 2 supplied screws. Once you have your back plate properly mounted to the top of the door frame, you're going to temporarily install the DigiDoor sensor onto that to check for proper clearance so that it doesn't interfere with the operation of the door. Once that's done, we need to mount the door magnet bucket. To do this, it's very important that you get this in the proper place with the proper clearances, or the unit will not operate correctly. You're going to pick the very center of the device and no more than 1/4 inch from the bottom of the device. Once you have selected your location, just simply screw it to the door itself. Now that you've got your magnet bucket properly installed, we want to make sure that we install the magnet in the proper place so that the unit operates correctly. Proper placement for this magnet will be directly under the smooth rectangle just on the bottom of the device itself. Proper placement of the magnet in the bucket is important. The magnet has 3 buckets in it for 3 different positions depending on how recessed or set out your door is. Just make sure that when you install the magnet in the bucket that it sits in the proper location just below the smooth rectangle. Next step in the process is to remove the device from the wall and install the 2 supplied AAA batteries. When installing the batteries, make sure that you put the plus to the positive and the negative to the negative. Do not install this on the back plate of the door. You will need to use this device in the binding process explained later. Thank you for viewing this video today. If you have any further questions about this process, please contact your Amana PTAC sales rep at 800-647-2982. Thank you.